We came, we saw, we ate some lunch. It was good. Nice ride down. Really hot, sat in the sun for a while, watching the surf and the surfers and whatnot. It was really nice. Now it's the nice ride back, which I'm very much looking forward to actually. It's actually really warm all of a sudden. It wasn't too bad earlier, but now I'm sweaty. Now, where did I come from? I think I came from straight on, yeah. I'd love to live here. I would love it. I think it's cut off from the rest of the world was the problem, but what can't you get in Cornwall that you can get somewhere else, like, that I'm bothered about? Just had the clutch disengage like three times I reckon on the motorway. I was just riding along in 6th doing probably 70. Honestly, I wasn't pushing it, like 70. Just holding it at the same speed, and it just lost power completely. And I could rev the bike as if the clutch was completely disengaged or as in neutral, for example. I don't know whether that's my gear problem or a clutch problem, but how I rectified it was hit the kill switch, turned it back on again, pulled the clutch, and it was fine. And I did it again, and when the second time I did it, I just pulled the clutch in a couple of times, and then it bit again after that. So I'm guessing it's a clutch. I'm not really sure. It shit me up though, because obviously I was only going straight, but I just lost all power. I was just rolling on the motorway. And engine braking is still significant. Like, so slowing down a lot, I'd stick my hazards on and let people pass me. It was a bit scary, I'm not gonna lie. Just go. It's Trago Mills. Let me have a piss in your toilet. Brilliant, nice. Back at it again. It's still stuck behind some motorhomes, you know, normal shit.